Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Trade People's Tips once again. And today we're unboxing this Canon's Pixma TS5351. Okay, so if I get something to open the box, I can show you what you get for your money. Okay, I'm just going to use this scissors because that's what I got at hand. Get that out of the way properly. Right, let's see what we have here. Open our box, we have our power lead. Let's put that to one side for now. We have there's like a little ink package thing. We'll work that out in a minute. Pop that side open. We have 1, 2, 3 instruction booklets. We're gonna go into those later. Let's just get into the packaging. Inside here we have, what is this? Oh, this is one of them American style plug. Let's have a look at our other one. Yeah, so we got both the English and the European, I'm gonna call it. Yeah, and inside here we have our ink cartridges too. We'll go into that as well later when we show you how to set it all up. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna just put this down like that. And we're just gonna slide it out of the box. Stop for a minute. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, once you've unpacked, you've got all your bits and pieces. Like I said, all you get is the cable and your printer, right, and your ink. Sorry, this is all the literature you get, basically telling you how to install it. And the reason why you have so many is the amount of languages that they are in. Because for myself, I will only need this one, English. Getting started. Yeah, this package here is to send back your empty ink cartridge once you've used it. Is that it? Yeah, and the rest of booklet and CD-ROM to a CD-ROM to install. So that's all what you get in there. There, as I said before, we're gonna go through. Okay, see you again in a minute.